This is Michael at SkipperBud's in Bay City. Today we have a Scarab 195 ID, black and white with the impact graphics. It's a very sharp boat. You have the rear facing seats with the walkthrough. This is the white and gray interior with the ash, which is a gray snap-in carpet. It's got some nice options. It's got the walk-through windshield, open bow, storage underneath the seats. This model has the 250 horsepower, which is one of the last ones made. If you have any questions, please call Michael at the Bay City store.